Hello guys, how can you prepare for your board examination in only 20 days? I am here to be giving you advice that how can you prepare for your board examination in only 20 days. You have only 20 days because your board examination will be start from 31 March, and if you are a student of class 12 belong to science faculty, then your board examination will be start from 4th April. And how can you prepare yourself in only 20 days? First of all, if you are a student of class 10 and you have 6 subjects, and if you are a student of class 12 then you have 5 subjects, and how can you prepare? Now you can not gain knowledge, but you can only study for marks in 20 days. First of all, if you are a student of class 10 and you have 6 subjects, and you can take every subject for 3 days and continues your study. 6 multiplied by 3, then you have only 80 days and 2 days are remaining, and that 2 days you can give that subject which examination will be on 31 March. I can advise you how can you prepare for your science and maths in only 3 days. Before you solving all questions, you should be prepared for your that question. This one you want to do. First of all, you have theorem. For example, lesson. If you prepare for your mathematics from first lesson, your first lesson name is real number, then you should be prepared only for Euclid division algorithm, how to you can do HCF, and third power rules, and fourth can you prove that a number is irrational. For the step can be clear your first lesson. So studying second lesson, which name is polynomials, then you should be prepared only 2 things. First of all, division algorithm, how can you divide polynomials, and second one is how can you find factor, how can you find any quadratic equation from if you have given sum of zeros and product of zeros. Only one formulas. If you are studying for third chapter, then you should be only prepared for 4 method: graphically method, substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication. If you will be completely solve this method of every question of this method will be, then you can prepare your whole lesson. If you studying for 4th lesson quadratic equation, then you should be only solve Sidracharya method. You can also say that quadratic formula. Second one is factorization, and third one is complete square method. You will be solve this also. And if you are word problems like in third chapter and fourth chapter, word problems be like third chapter and fourth chapter, you didn't solve completely, you only solve word to equation. Studying for 5th lesson, and you should be only n term upon AP, n term from last, sum of n term upon AP. You have to be clear 3 formulas by 3 question, and after it you will be solve that question. Like if the third term of an AP is 14 and 5th term of an AP is 93, and find the 69th term. This type of all question you should be done because there are 2 exercises is combined. First of all AP, and second one will be combined of elimination substitution method. Because why? When you solve this AP question, then you find 2 equations, and which will be in 2 variables, so you can solve them and you can find value. So these questions are very important. If you are studying for 7th lesson, then you should be solve 3 formulas only: distance formula, midpoint formula, and section formula, and last area of triangle. If you solve this 4th formula by 4 questions, if you are studying for trigonometry, then if you want to gain only 50 marks, then you shouldn't be study 8.4 exercise of trigonometry. You will be only solve 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3, especially 8.3 and 8.2 you will be solved. Trying to construction, then you can do construction, because construction is very simplest exercise of class 10. In statistics you have 3 steps: mean, mode, median. So you have solved 3 theorem of mean, simple mean, second assume mean, and third step deviation method, median, and then mode.